In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete comments on Trello cards. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to open your Trello board. To do this, simply log into your Trello account at trello.com. Once you're in, navigate your way to the specific board where the card you're working on is located. Once you've arrived at the right board, find the list that contains the card with the comment you want to remove. Go ahead and click on that individual card. This will open up the detailed view of the card where you can see all the comments and activity associated with it. Now, let's locate the comment that you wish to delete. Scroll down to the Activity section of the card details. This area displays the entire history of comments, so take a moment to look through it. Find the specific comment you want to delete. It's important to be precise here, so make sure you've got the right comment before moving on to the next step. Once you've found the comment, we're ready to delete it. Look directly underneath the comment text. You'll see a few action options appear. Click on the option that says Delete. A confirmation prompt will pop up to ensure you really want to go through with this action. Take a moment to double-check the comment you're about to delete, because remember, once a comment is deleted, it cannot be recovered. If you're certain you want to remove this comment, click on Delete Comment to permanently remove it from the activity history of that card. And just like that, you're almost finished. Once you click that Delete option, the comment will immediately disappear from the card's activity history. This helps keep your Trello board organized, ensuring only the most relevant information is displayed. Finally, when you're done, you can exit the card's detailed view. Simply click the small X icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you back to the main view of your board where you can continue working on your tasks. And there you have it. That's how you delete comments on Trello cards. It's a straightforward process that helps you manage your projects more effectively. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you need any more tips or tricks on using Trello or any other software, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.